So I wanted to show you my tomahawk that I made from a railroad spike. I forge welded a piece of file in there in the tip, split it open, put it in, forge welded it together, and yeah, it's pretty badass. I like it. Handles pretty good. Let's give this thing a couple whacks and see how sharp it is. I mean, see, I'm not even hitting it hard, guys, and it's pretty damn sharp, and it keeps a good edge on it with that file on there. A lot of people say railroad spikes isn't a good steel. As long as you use it right and don't abuse it, it's a really good steel. It's easy to work with for beginner blacksmiths, and yeah, that's what my tomahawk. I mean, you can just see how it cleaves it down pretty good. Better than most axes that I've actually bought in a store. So I went out and made it homemade over here on my anvil. Here's my stand that I use. This is actually an anvil that I made out of a railroad spike. I mean a railroad tie. Got the 4 holes to mount it. Ground it all down. Got a little hardy hole right there in the middle. Got a little tool on there that I use for making my arrowheads. And there's my great-grandfather's wife and my great-grandfather's anvil right there. So yeah, really good build. I like it. I'm going to be doing some projects, so let me know if you want me to build one again. Thanks, guys.